Please let me introduce Tom Kennedy. And
Good
we are
morning.
here today. Good morning. We are here today to share that we partner with Kennedy Electric. Penny Realty does. We really stand by doing our homework to find the best vendors out there that distinguish themselves from all the rest. So if an individual is seeking a great electric company or an electrician, why should they select your company?
Well, Kennedy Electric has been in business for 32 years. We provide prompt, reliable service at a reasonable price. We provide written estimates with no obligations. So we feel we can offer clients what they need anytime they need it. We do everything across the board. So from building maintenance, changing out light fixtures, to remodels, to additions, to new construction, new buildings, new commercial buildings, and new homes, multi-level homes, condos.
And I know for firsthand experience, you'll do rewiring, you'll get all of the old electric wires remediated and remodeled. You'll remodel the kitchens.
Yes.
When there's tube antiquated lighting, you'll put in the recessed
Yes,
lighting in the ceiling. So we do definitely use your services for a lot of the homes that have been built in the 50s and the 60s. It's you're just an awesome electric company. We feel that your prices are highly competitive and you're very honest.
Thank you.
That's a big plus in the industry.
We strive to make everybody happy.
Right.
Yeah.
And I agree. And that is one of the biggest reasons we use you so much of the time.
Thank you.
And I wanted our clients to feel comfortable, the owners and the tenants, with your services and who you are. And that's why I had you here today.
Well, thank you very much.
Thank
That's
you
great.
for coming. I really appreciate it, Tom.